Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily do a face recognition project setup. So when people buy this project, they keep on texting me different messages that, sir, can you set it up for me? I'm getting an error, or Python is not getting installed, or VS Code isn't working, or it's not running on my laptop. So I get these messages almost every day. So usually I do remote setup sessions, and yes, I charge for that because it takes time. But I thought, instead of setting up the same project again and again, why not make one complete video that everyone can follow for free? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up in VS Code, step by step. So just follow along, and by the end of this video, your project should be up and running. Now let's get started. So you will get this zip folder once you purchase the project. You have to unzip it. So just right click and extract all. You can extract here. Okay, so now the folder is extracted. You can go inside this folder. Now, after you are inside this folder, you can right click and open with code. So if you do not have Visual Studio Code, I'll provide you the link in the description. Now, firstly, you have to create a virtual environment. So if you're using Windows, then you need to press Control Shift and P. And if you're on Mac, then you can press Command Shift and P. Okay. And here you can just simply type create environment, and you will see this option, Python create environment. Select it, and then you have to select VNV. Okay, and then from here you can choose your Python interpreter. So for this project I am recommending you 3.10 version, and how to install this I'll attach the link in the description. So select this, and then you can keep the name as it is and just hit enter key, and then you can skip package installation for now. Okay, so your virtual environment is created here, as you can see, right? So now what you have to do, you have to install all these requirements. Okay, so to install all these requirements, you need to open the terminal like this. Okay, and once you'll open the terminal, you will see this virtual environment activation here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to type this command, uh, pip install -r requirements.txt. Once you write this command and hit enter, all these modules that are mentioned here, everything will be downloaded and installed successfully. Okay, and then in this requirements.txt, I have also mentioned the error could not install package due to an OS error, no such file or directory. So if you'll get the error of such type, okay, then I have mentioned some steps, but generally you won't get it. Okay, this kind of error. So you can see everything is getting installed here. So this will take some time. So in the meantime, you can go to this config.py file, and here you have to change your MySQL password. So if you don't have MySQL installed, you can check the link in the description. You can install it by watching the video. Okay, so my password is 1234. You can replace it with your password. So this is the change, and then once all these modules will be installed, then you just have to run this main.py file. Okay, so it will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to install all these packages. And once everything is installed, you just have to write this command, python main.py, and hit enter. So this will create the database for you and all the tables. And then you might get some warnings. So don't worry about that. And then you will see this login page. Okay. So if you are new, then you will see the register page firstly. Okay. But I already have an account, so that is why I'm seeing this login page. Okay. So I can either log in with my username and password, or I can log in with my face. Okay. So you can also watch the demo video of this project, complete demo video, which is already uploaded on my channel. I'll attach the link in the description. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching.